A great paraeducator really inspires kids, and they make connections, they build those relationships.
The connection that they build with kids is the most important part of their job. If they don't do anything else, it's that connection with kids that will allow them to change lives.
No matter what's happening at school, I know my paras and my team are there to support both myself and my students.
Paraeducators are adaptable, they build relationships, they're always looking for ways to improve, and they ask great questions. And they care about their students and just want to help them any way they can.
Paraeducator is really, they are a teacher. The work that they're doing is as important as what a teacher is doing. So by them going in and being able to work with students, it's creating, or it's building and expanding the capacity of what a teacher can do in the classrooms.
You get to give to your community in a way that a lot of people don't have the privilege of doing. You serve these children in an intimate way that only their families know. So to be allowed into their world and allowed to support them is pretty cool.